So let's start exercise 8.1 with question number 1. The angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:5:9:13. Find all the angles of the quadrilateral. In this question, 4 angles of quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:5:9:13. So 4 angles are multiples of 3, 5, 9 and 13. So let us suppose that 4 angles of the quadrilateral are 3x, 5x, 9x and 13x. Thereafter we will apply angle sum property of a quadrilateral and find the value of unknown x and thereafter 4 angles of the quadrilateral. So let's start solution of this question. Number 1, exercise 8.1. Let the angles of quadrilateral be 3x, 5x, 9x and 13x. Therefore, we have 3x plus 5x plus 9x plus 13x equal to 360 degrees. Angle sum property of a quadrilateral, and that states that sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So sum of 4 angles we have written equal to 360 degrees, and this implies 30x equal to 360 degrees. So x is equal to 360 degrees divided by 30, which is equal to 12 degree. So value of x we have got 12 degrees. Therefore 3x equal to 3 into 12 degree equal to 36 degrees. 5x is 5 into 12, 60 degrees. 9x equal to 9 into 12 degrees, 108 degrees. 13x is equal to 13 into 12 degrees, 156 degrees. So these are the 4 angles of quadrilateral whose 4 angles are in the ratio 3:5:9:13. So therefore the angles of quadrilateral are 36 degrees, 60 degrees, 108 degrees and 156 degrees, and this is the answer. Question number 2. If the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then prove that it is a rectangle. Here in this figure we have drawn a parallelogram ABCD whose diagonals AC and BD are equal, and we have to prove that this parallelogram ABCD whose diagonals AC and BD are equal is a rectangle. Rectangle is a parallelogram whose one angle is a right angle. Actually, in a rectangle which is a parallelogram, all four angles are right angle. But if you have a parallelogram with one angle right angle, rest of the three angles automatically become right angle, and therefore that parallelogram with one angle right angle ultimately becomes a rectangle. So here in this parallelogram ABCD whose diagonals are equal, if we will prove that one angle is right angle, then problem is solved and question is proved. So let us prove that this parallelogram whose diagonals AC and BD are equal, how it is a parallelogram. So let us write, given ABCD is a parallelogram with diagonal AC is equal to BD, and we have to prove that ABCD, this parallelogram with equal diagonals, is a rectangle. Proof. Let us take triangle ABC and DCB. In triangle ABC and triangle DCB, we have AB is equal to DC. Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. BC is equal to CB, common side. AC is equal to BD, it is given. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DCB by side congruence rule, and therefore angle ABC is equal to angle DCB by CPCT, because they are corresponding angles of congruent triangles ABC and DCB. So by CPCT, angle ABC is equal to angle DCB, but angle ABC plus angle DCB is equal to 180 degrees, because AB is parallel to DC and BC is transversal. So angle ABC and angle DCB, they are forming a pair of consecutive angles, so their sum is 180 degrees. And here by CPCT we have derived that angle ABC is equal to angle DCB. So therefore, from these two statements, we can conclude that angle ABC is equal to angle DCB is equal to 90 degree each, and this proves that angle ABC of parallelogram ABCD whose diagonals AC and BD are equal is a right angle, and this proves that parallelogram ABCD is a rectangle. Hence, parallelogram ABCD with equal diagonals AC and BD is a rectangle. Hence proved. Now question number 3. So that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. In this figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which diagonals AC and BD bisect each other at right angles. We have to prove that this quadrilateral whose diagonals bisect each other at right angles is a rhombus. So let's write given in quadrilateral ABCD AO is equal to OC, BO is equal to OD, and angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. We have to prove that this quadrilateral ABCD whose diagonals bisect each other at right angles is a rhombus. Let's prove this result. In triangle AOB and COB, in triangle AOB and triangle COB, we have AO equal to OC, AO equal to OC given. Angle AOB is equal to angle COB. (90° each) because diagonals bisect each other at right angles. BO is equal to BO, common side. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB by side angle side rule. Therefore, AB is equal to BC by CPCT, because they are corresponding parts of two congruent triangles AOB and triangle COB. Similarly, it can be proved that BC is equal to CD and CD is equal to DA. So therefore, we can write AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. Four sides of this quadrilateral ABCD, whose diagonals bisect each other at right angle, are equal. We have proved it, that four sides of quadrilateral ABCD are equal, and this proves that this quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. So hence quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus, hence proved.